Hey guys, so I wanted to show you how to have your high score show up on the main menu without having to make a global variable or a simpleton class. If you want to make one of those classes, it's usually for more complex data, and you can always look it up online. But here's a simpler way to do it with only a few lines of code. So in our MyScene.h, we'll add this method, grab high score. Don't forget to have a plus because it is a class method. It's not going to be instance method. Next we'll go to MyScene.m and we'll add static int high score. And that's just to hold our high score. And the reason it's static is because there's only one instance per class. As we scroll down, we'll go to touch as began and we'll say if is game over, if high score is less than game score, high score equals game score. Pretty simple. And then we say else. Right here we have this if check to see if we want to start a new game. We'll say else do this scene, which is a main menu scene. So we're going to go back to the main menu if we don't press new game. Don't forget to import this at the very top, main menu scene, right here. Oops, right here. We need to import that. Then at the very bottom, we have this int grab high score. All we do is return high score. Now we need to take advantage of this method by going to our MainMenuScene.m, and as you can see, I made this SKLabel node score. I just gave it a font color, size, made Z position 1, and then I set the position to the middle. What I do is I'd say int value equals MyScene grab high score, and it was a class method, and that's why we just say MyScene grab high score. So that's convenient, and you could see why you might want to use that for some of your methods. Next, we set our label node text equal to the string high score %i value, and then we add the child. So if we click play, we'll get this screen and it will say high score equals 0 because we haven't played it yet. And we click new game, we get 1, we click away. Remember, don't click here, we click here, and we'll go back to the main menu. High score is 1. So now, just to see that all our code is working, we go 1, 2, 3, and then we die. High score is now 3, and if we go new game and we try and get 1, it's still going to be 3. And this should work even when you close the game and then go right back in. So this shows your high score, and every time you press the play button up here to build, it will build it again, so it will go back to 0. And that's not a problem with the code, that's just the way it is. It rebuilds the app every time. So you'll have to keep setting your high score while you're debugging everything and making your game better. But sorry, it's not very pretty. I just wanted to show you guys how to add high score to your games. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.